Healthy Forever presents... See what happens to your body taking omega-3 fish oil before bed. Taking your omega-3 fish oils in the evening could make it easier for you to get out of bed in the morning. This is because they work on the same chemical pathways as NSAIDs, Non-Steroidal Anti-Inflammatory Drugs. You could actually split the dose and take it morning and night for a similar effect if you suffer from esophageal reflux. Otherwise, take it at night. I will explain why later. If you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips and smash the like button and notification bell so you never miss our new videos. Omega-3 fish oil benefits. There are many benefits to taking fish oil, the fat that is extracted from fish tissue and mostly comes from oily fish. We should eat 1 to 2 servings of fish a week, according to experts. If we don't, we need to take the supplements to stay healthy. Here are some of the benefits derived from fish oil. 1. Supports heart health by aiding low blood pressure and lowering cholesterol. 2. It may help certain mental health disorders. 3. Sometimes aids weight loss and can reduce waist circumference. 4. Thought to support eye health by preventing eye disease. 5. Reduces inflammation in the body, especially types of arthritis. 6. Supports healthy skin. 7. Good for pregnancy and supporting the fetus. 8. Can reduce liver fat in obese people. 9. Improves depressive symptoms. 10. Thought to slow hyperactivity in kids. 11. Slows mental decline and cognitive impairment. 12. Slows the risk of asthma and allergies. 13. Strengthens bones. The best time to take your fish oil supplement is before bed. Research has shown that our omega-3 supplements may work better in the evening. While we sleep, our body's circadian rhythm works on our hormonal balance and our ability to absorb chemicals. Diseases like heart disease worsen at night, so taking our medications before bed may be a better option. During the night, we produce more acid and get heartburn sometimes, and interestingly, heart attacks usually occur in the early hours of the morning. So taking all medication before bed can help to avoid some of this from occurring. There's another reason why omega-3 fish oil should be taken at night, and this is because it needs to be consumed with a meal containing some fat. These days, many people eat a low-fat breakfast, making the food unsuitable for omega-3 absorption, so take it at night when you usually consume some fat. A recent study has shown that it can also aid sleep, especially in children who increase their night's sleep by around 1 hour when commenced on omega-3 supplements. They did not wake up as much during the night either, as it seemed to relax them. The results of sleep studies for adults taking omega-3 supplements are promising, but not yet completed. One study suggested that omega-3, in conjunction with melatonin, helped adults to have a more restful night's sleep. Conclusion: sifting through the evidence, it is definitely better to take your omega-3 fish oils at night with dinner to get the best results. The good thing is that they can be given to people of all ages with no side effects. They can help you whatever age you are. To be helped, you just have to take it as recommended and to keep taking it. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment below, and let us know what you think. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss our new videos. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.